My friend knows how much I love using Instagram. I always design and create posts of my everyday life there. Once she asked me, why not use Instagram to create your online business so you can earn money out from it? That's actually a very good idea, and honestly, I've been thinking of it for some time. Problem is, I don't know how to make it work. I have IG for personal use only. How can I attract followers for my business? How can I make my products visible to a lot of IG users? And how can I make sure that these people are my target market? That's how I started searching online until I found out about online business for work at home moms. This is exactly what I needed. Very helpful for beginners of online business as it shows step-by-step process of how to do e-commerce. I just recently created a new Instagram account for my business, and the number of followers is booming so easily. The tips and strategies shared from the online training are indeed so useful. I get back to my friend who is a mom like me and shared about this. Now, two of us are both very much hands-on to our online business by Jin House training program.